Hi guys, welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. Thank you so much for clicking on my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make a face mask using a little girl's swimsuit top, and this brand is Cat and Jack from Target, and I'm using the size 6X swimsuit top for this face mask. You will also need your scissors and a needle and thread. So give me just a second and we'll get started. You do not have to use the same brand. I'm just showing you so you'll have an idea. But what I'm going to do is this little swimsuit kind of makes the X shape in the back. So I am going to be cutting off these green straps, and I'm going to be using the straps to make the ear pieces. So you're going to have extra pieces to make another face mask if you would like. Okay, so I'm just going to turn the swimsuit inside out, and then I am just going to cut off the little straps from the swimsuit top. Okay, so now I have the swimsuit turned the right side again, and we have 4 straps now. Now you do not have to stitch the straps on. You can just take one of your straps and then just thread it through on each of the sides of the swimsuit. Now what you're going to want to do, since this material is kind of slick, since it is a swimsuit, you can tie a knot. Now the knot's going to want to slide, so you'll have to stitch it after you have it adjusted to fit your ears. So you'll want to tie a knot, and this is going to be the pieces that you put around your ears. So once you have it to fit your ears and you have it comfortable for you, then you're going to want to take your needle and thread and stitch it. And then after you have your knot stitched, then you'll just take it and rotate it to the inside part of your swimsuit, and then you have your little ear elastics. So same steps on the left side. So you're just threading the strap through the side of the swimsuit. Then you're just going to either make a knot, or after you get it measured to the size that's comfortable for you, then you could just stitch it, you know, like this instead of stitching a knot. Whatever's best for you, just so you get it stitched so that it stays in place. Okay, so I have tried it on and measured it so that it fits my ears, and now I'm just going to use my needle and thread to stitch my straps together. Okay, so I just stitched my little straps on, then rotated where I sewed them together to the inside. And then now this is where it has the seam. It's going to go across your nose. And now here at the bottom, if you want to make this where it goes straight across, you can cut this little bit off if you would like. I think I'm going to make it where it goes straight across. Okay, so now that I have it cut straight across, I'm just going to fold it up like this, and I am just going to stitch all the way across. That way I don't have a raw edge showing. Okay, so you don't have to know how to sew because it does not have to be perfect. So I'm just going to stitch it so that the raw edge stays on the inside of the face mask. Okay guys, this is the way it looks. So now I'm going to take the left side and put it over my left ear, and the right side over my right ear, and then just adjust it across my face. And that's it. Now you have a face mask ready to wear out in public. Also, I wanted to mention that you'll probably want to take the top part of your face mask and run a little stitch along this so that it stays lined up when you're wearing it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope everyone has a wonderful night and stay safe.